My name is Sri Lakshmi. My topic is computing FPGA. Introduction to computing FPGA. FPGA means field programmable gate arrays are integrated circuits that can be configured after manufacturing. They are used for custom hardware acceleration and rapid prototyping. This presentation explores the fundamentals, architecture, and applications of FPGAs in computing. Let's see what is an FPGA. An FPGA is a semiconductor device containing programmable logic blocks and interconnects. Unlike fixed functions ASIC, FPGAs can be reprogrammed multiple times. They enable flexible hardware design tailored to specific computational tasks. Key components of an FPGA. Logic blocks, configurable logic elements that implement digital functions, interconnections, connects the programmable routing resources connecting logic blocks, input-output blocks, interfaces for communication with external devices and systems. FPGA architecture overview. FPGAs consist of matrix of logic blocks connected through programmable interconnects. They also include embed memory blocks and special function units. The architecture supports parallelism, enabling high performance computing. Programming FPGAs. FPGAs are programmed using hardware description languages like VHDL or Verilog. High level synthesis tools can convert C or C++ code into FPGA configurations. Programming involves synthesizing, mapping, placement, routing, and bitstream generation. Input quantum circuit packets to design. To construct a quantum circuit using gates provided, there are two. Stimulate circuit using VHDL stimulation tools and synthesize circuit on FPGA for hardware emulation of the quantum circuit. FPGA design flow. Design entry using HDL or high-level languages. Stimulation to verify functionality. Synthesis and implementation to generate the configuration bitstream for programming the FPGA. FPGA and ASIC. Good flexibility and better computing efficiently, programmable, parallel computing, high performance, real-time processing, and low power consumption suited to hardware implementation of specific algorithms and standard generic algorithms. ASIC. Poor, poor flexibility but high computing efficiency needs customization, not programmable, and long rad cycle, high performance, and low power consumption. Suited to customizing circuits by algorithms and suited to more mature algorithms and standards. Let's see differences between FPGA and ASIC. FPGAs are reprogrammable while ASIC are fixed once manufactured. FPGAs typically have higher per unit cost but lower initial development cost. They offer faster time to market compared to ASICs for custom hardware solutions. The differences between FPGA and ASICs. FPGA, good flexibility and better computing efficiency, programming parallel computing high performance, real-time processing and low-level consumption suited to hardware implementation of specific algorithms and standard generic algorithms. ASIC, poor flexibility but high computing efficiency needs customization, not programmable and long rad cycle, high performance and low power consumption suited to customizing circuits by algorithm and suited to more mature algorithms and standards. Advantages of FPGA computing. High parallelism allows for acceleration of complex algorithms, reconfigurability, enables adaptive hardware solutions. FPGAs provide lower latency compared to traditional software processing. Limitations of FPGA computing. Power consumption can be higher than AICs, ASICs for the same task. Lower clock speeds compared to CPUs or GPUs. Development can be complex and require specialized knowledge. FPGA in higher performance computing. FPGAs accelerate specific workloads like scientific stimulations and data analytics. They are used in supercomputers for tasks requiring high throughput. FPGA based HFC solutions offer energy efficiency benefits. FPGA in data centers. FPGAs provide hardware acceleration for cloud computing services. Major cloud providers like Microsoft and Amazon deploy FPGAs for AI and machine learning workloads. They enable scalable and customizable data processing pipelines. FPGA for machine learning. FPGAs accelerate neural network inference and training. Their reconfigurability allows optimization for specific ML models. FPGA based ML accelerations can outperform GPUs in certain scenarios. FPGA and embedded systems. FPGA are integrated into embedded devices for real time processing. They are used in automotive, aerospace, and industrial automation. FPGAs enhance system flexibility and resilience in embedded applications. Development tools and ecosystem. Vendors provide tools like Intel Quarters and open source options. Simulation synthesis and debugging tools support FPGA development. Growing ecosystems facilitate easier adoption and integration. Power management in FPGA design. Power consumption optimization is critical for portable and embedded applications. Techniques include clock gating, power aware synthesis, and voltage scaling. Proper design practices extend FPGA lifespan and reduce operational cost. FPGA and GPU applications are cameras, LiDAR, autonomous vehicles, industrial equipments, audio sensors, deep neural networks, language, natural language processing, etc. Suitable for large datasets and models, high performance, extremely fast processing, interface for software, less flexible but improved performance. Suitable to medium to large gate sets, datasets and models, high performance, fast real time processing, no need of interfacing for software, offers programmable programming flexibility. Future trends in FPGA computing. Integration of FPGA fabric with CPUs and GPUs on hybrid chips, advancing in partial recognition reconfiguration for dynamic hardware adaptation. Increased use of AI driven design automation for FPGA development. Challenges in FPGA adoption. Steep learning curve for hardware design and programming, limited vendor support and ecosystem maturity compared to CPUs and GPUs, balancing performance, power consumption, and development cost remains complex. What is reconfigurable computing? Alternately, reconfigurable computing is a way of implementing circuits without fabricating a device. Essentially allows circuit to be implemented as software. Circuits are no longer synonymous with hardware. Case study: FPGA in 5G networks. FPGA enable flexible, high-speed signal processing in 5G infrastructure. They support rapid deployment of new protocols and standards. FPGA-based solutions improve network efficiency and adaptability. Summary of FPGA computing. FPGA offer customizable, high-performance hardware acceleration. These are versatile across industries from HPC to embedded systems. Ongoing innovations continue to expand FPGA capabilities and adoption. Conclusion and future outlook. FPGA technologies is poised to play a vital role in next generation computing architectures, increased programmability and increased integration with efficient, flexible and powerful systems. Let Thank you.